Hello and welcome to iExamB. Embrace the iExamB learning experience to prepare 50% faster. I am Dr. Sini Shibu, and in this video, I am going to talk about encapsulation in Java. Encapsulation means wrapping data and methods together and restricting direct access to some components. The benefits of encapsulation include data hiding and protection, increased security, better control over data modification, and flexibility and maintainability. Let us now see how encapsulation can be implemented in Java. Here you see an example where we are creating a class called student. We have used the access specifier of private to declare the name and age variables. This would give data security in case of Java. Private variables and methods cannot be accessed outside the class. Next, we have the getName function, which is a public getter function for the name variable. We are also having a public setter function for the name variable. Next, we have a public getter function for the age as well as a public setter for the age. If you look at the main class, we see that in the main function, we are creating a student called S. We are setting the name to Alice and age to 20 using the setter functions. To access the values we are using the getter methods. Here we are saying system.out.println name plus s.getName. This will print the name of the student. Next, we are also printing the age of the student with the function s.getAge. So this is how encapsulation can be implemented in Java. Let us now look into some MCQs based on encapsulation. In this question, it asks which of the following best describes encapsulation in object-oriented programming. As we have discussed earlier, encapsulation is wrapping data and methods together and restricting access to data. A related concept is data hiding, which is a key aspect of encapsulation where internal object details are hidden from the outside world. In this next question, in Java, which access modifier provides the highest level of encapsulation? And the answer is C, private. The private access modifier provides the highest level of encapsulation as it restricts access to the member only within the same class. No other class, not even subclasses, can access private members directly. This enforces strict data hiding. So if we talk about the access modifier hierarchy from the least to the most restrictive, it is going to be public, then default, then protected, and then private. Private being the most restrictive. Here we see a code-based question. In the class called account, we have created a balance variable, and this is a private double variable which is set to 1000. In the public double get balance method, we are returning the balance. In the main class, we are using the main method, and in the main method, we are creating an account object with the new account constructor. We are then trying to print account.balance. Now the output is what you have to predict. The correct answer for this question is D, compilation error. The code will produce a compilation error because balance is declared as private in the account class. Private members cannot be accessed directly from outside the class. The correct way would be to use a public getter method account.getBalance to access the balance variable. So you would get an error message, balance has private access in account. In this question, you have to tell which of the following statements about encapsulation is false. Encapsulation helps in data hiding. Encapsulation makes code more maintainable. Encapsulation always decreases program performance, and encapsulation provides better control over data. The correct answer here is C. Encapsulation always decreases program performance. This statement is false. Encapsulation does not always decrease performance. While there might be negligible overhead due to method calls, modern compilers optimize this efficiently. So there are multiple benefits that we have with encapsulation, namely data protection and security, better code organization, easier maintenance and debugging, and flexibility to change implementation. In this next question, in Java, what is the purpose of getter and setter methods? The correct answer is B, to provide controlled access to private variables. Getter and setter methods provide controlled access to private variables. Getters retrieve the value of private variables, whereas setters modify them with proper validation. This is the practical implementation of encapsulation that allows data hiding while still providing necessary access to variables and methods. So now let us look at what we offer at iExamB. The IBPS SOIT comprehensive online course has been restructured as per the new pattern. In the introduction and strategy section, all course material with respect to introduction and strategy are available. A premium feature is the daily target batch. Here, students are given daily targets so that they can be on track for their preparation for the IBPS examination. So with that, we come to the end of this video. If you like the content, kindly subscribe to our channel and like the video. Hope you have a good learning experience with iExamB. Thank you for watching.